안녕 여러분! Today, I'll teach you 8 basic Korean pronouns. First, the pronoun I is 저. This is the polite form. For example, 저는 학생입니다. This means I'm a student. Next, the pronoun I can also be 나. This is the casual form. For example, 나는 한국에서 왔어. This means I'm from Korea. Next, the pronoun you is 너. This is the casual form. For example, 너 어디가? This means where are you going? The plural form for the pronoun you is 너희. It is used casually when talking to several people. For example, 너희는 여기서 기다려. This means you guys wait here. Important quick tip. In most cases, you can omit 너 and 너희 because it's implied that the question is for you. Koreans often use the person's name or title instead. The pronoun he is 그. For example, 그는 지금 바빠요. This means he's busy right now. The pronoun she is 그녀. For example, 그녀를 만나고 싶어요. This means I want to meet her. The pronoun we is 우리. For example, 우리는 동갑이에요. This means we are the same age. Note that 우리 can also be used for us and our. The pronoun for they or them is 그들. For example, 오늘 그들은 정말 멋져 보이네. This means they look really cool today. 그들 is used more often in writing than in actual conversation. There you have the 8 Korean pronouns. To learn more about Korean pronouns, check out our resource page linked below. 다음에 만나요.